Hey bosses, it's Justin here from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'll show you how you can connect Book Like a Boss with Pabbly using webhooks. So first off, let's go to Settings in our top menu here, then select Integrations. On the left sidebar menu, click on Webhooks, then click on Add New Webhook. Add a name to it, we'll call this Pabbly Connect for simplicity. And now, since we need our webhook callback URL, we're going to go to our Pabbly Connect dashboard. From here, click on Create Workflow, and for this example, we'll choose this classic or simplified one. We'll just call this Sample Workflow, and then click Create. Now here's where we make sure we select Book Like a Boss, so let's click on that. For the trigger event, we'll also just select New Booking Created. And now we have our webhook URL. Let's just copy that, then go back to our Book Like a Boss admin page, then paste the URL here. Now we're going to check this Created checkbox, the same as the trigger event we picked over on our Pabbly workflow. Click Save, and now we have our webhook. Now let's test it. Go to any of your appointments or services or events, and then make a test booking. We'll do it for this one-to-one coaching appointment, fill in the necessary details, custom fields, then click on Book Me. Now, if we go back to our workflow, our booking details should be visible. And there we go. We now have all this information that we need here. And that's it. That's how you connect Pabbly with Book Like a Boss using webhooks. I hope that helps.